Hey, put the pictures in resumes, please.
Who am I anyway? And on my resume, that is a picture of a person I don't know. What does he want from me? What should I